Hey, welcome to another episode of Geek Money Life. And so today I'm going to be talking about how to build a good credit score and, more importantly, how to maintain a good credit score for the long term. Now, whenever it comes to building your credit score, there are a variety of factors that affect it, but the two biggest ones that consistently are always near the top of the credit score ratings are, first and foremost, making payments on time. This is pretty much the biggest and most important factor when it comes to determining your overall credit score. And as for me, I've definitely been through this. Just missing even one payment brought my payment rating from 100% down to 98%. So just even missing one payment could have a huge impact on your credit score, especially if you're somebody who misses your payments all the time and you're always late on making your credit card payments. So that's the first and most important thing. Do not make late payments. Make sure you pay on time. And then the second factor is your credit utilization. And so in this case, your credit utilization is pretty much how much credit that you have available among all your credit cards, and then how much of that you've used. So this one right here is one of the biggest things that most people will pretty much have all the time in terms of having a problem with credit, because most people aren't able to pay off their credit cards every single month. So they always have some type of balance. And the worst thing is most people get into more credit card debt. So that means their utilization is always going to be high. And so in this case, to maintain a good credit score, you really want to keep it below 30%. But in my case, I want to keep it down to 0%. So most of the times, my credit score utilization is typically will never go above 2% because I usually pay everything off at the month. And if I do ever have it above 0%, it's just that whenever I check my credit score, I haven't yet paid it off for the month. And so those are really the two single biggest factors that affect your credit score, whether you're starting out or whether you've had your credit score for a long time. Make sure you don't make your payments late. Pay it on time. And then secondly, try to keep your credit utilization low, or best of all, zero whenever you're debt free. So if you actually had any thoughts on this or any other ways in which you maintain a good credit score, be sure to leave it in the comments area below. And if you did want to see more of my money videos, I do have an entire playlist. I'll leave that in the description area below. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. For professional virtual business locations, check out Anytime Mailbox with more than 1,300 locations worldwide at affordable rates. For more information, check out the affiliate link in the description area below.